guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So from today onwards, I am starting a Vlogmas series on my channel. So for the people who don't know what exactly Vlogmas is, it is a tradition among YouTubers in which they post every day from 1st December until 25th December, that is Christmas. And I am going to do the same. Just I won't be posting every day, I will post every alternate day. So please go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of these videos. And talking about today's video, I wanted to start this Vlogmas series on a personal level. I wanted to sit and talk with you guys and share my random facts with you. So if you are someone interested, then keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So starting with the very first random fact about me, I can never sleep straight. Like I have to always sleep in fetal position to fall asleep. I don't know if this happens with you or not, but this happens with me every single day, and I will try to sleep in straight position on my stomach, on my back, but I won't fall asleep until I am in my fetal position. Do let me know in which sleeping position do you sleep. So talking about the next random fact about me, this one is also related to sleep. I can never stay awake for whole night. Like even if this happens once, the next day my body starts reacting weird. Like मेरे आँखों में से पानी आना शुरू हो जाएगा. My head feels heavy and I feel dizzy. Like कुछ तो हो रहा होगा बॉडी में, समझ नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है. बट अगर मैं एक रात भी जग गई ना, नेक्स्ट डे मेरी पूरी वाट लग जाती है. So talking about the next random fact about me is I can never operate my phone or read anything in a moving situation. Like if it is a vehicle, plane, anything, like I can never operate. Even if I operate for a minute or two, I will start feeling dizzy and everything around me starts revolving. And do let me know if this happens with you or not. So this fact is really weird, but whenever I eat an ice cream, my this tooth, the front one, it starts aching so bad. Like if I'm having a gola, this won't happen, but if I'm having an ice cream, this always happens with me. So whenever I have an ice cream, I try to keep it on my tongue and try avoiding that thing to my teeth so that it won't hurt. And I try to swallow the ice cream as soon as possible. Like मुझे एक ice cream का cup खाने में कम से कम आधा घंटा लग जाता है. And if I'm having a gola, I can have it in like 5 to 7 minutes. So now on to the next one. Talking about allergies, I don't have any kind of specific allergies, but my throat starts acting weird if I come in contact with dust. So basically क्या होता है कि अगर मैं dust के contact में आई तो my throat starts swelling, and after that it is a cycle which follows. Swelling के बाद खांसी हो जाएगी, फिर सर्दी हो जाएगी, फिर बुखार आएगा और फिर 7 दिनों बाद ये सारा रिकवर हो जाएगा. So this happens with me almost every 3 to 4 months, and जब भी climate भी change होगा तो ये चीज़ मेरे साथ हमेशा होगी. So talking about the next one, it is really weird. Like मुझे खुद पे हंसी आती है, but this happens with me always, so I had to include this. Whenever I sit and think about any content ideas for my Instagram or YouTube, उस time पे my mind becomes blank. I don't remember anything. I won't be creative or anything. Like मुझे कुछ भी नहीं सूझेगा उस time पे. But as soon as I like fall asleep, like I'm trying to sleep, at that time, not even at that time, जब मैं आंखें बंद कर दूंगी ना, उसके बाद एक से एक आइडियाज आते रहेंगे. एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक फ्रॉम शूटिंग थीम टू प्रॉप्स टू क्लोथ्स टू everything will be on my mind. And I say myself that whenever I'll wake up, I'll note down everything and then we'll start shooting. But as soon as I wake up the next day, I will forget everything. Like मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आएगा, ना theme, ना topic, ना outfit, कुछ भी नहीं. But now what I do is whenever I feel like that any idea is coming, I immediately get up, open my notes in my phone, and I note down everything so that I won't miss it out the next day. So the next one exactly isn't a fact about me, but my nickname is Sonu, and I wanted to include this because I wanted to share my nickname with you guys. Like घर में मुझे कोई भी भूमिका नहीं बुलाता. Everyone calls me Sonu. In fact, my nickname is more famous than my actual name. Like Sonu is more famous than Bhumika. So talking about the next random fact about me, this is really bad habit. Please guys, if you're doing this, please change it. Even I'm trying myself hard to do it. But I eat very little सब्जी. Like मैं अगर इतनी सब्जी लेती हूँ ना, मैं इसमें ही 2 से 3 चपातीस खा लूँगी and आराम से हो जाएगा और सब्जी भी बचेगी. and this is really bad, and I feel like I should change it, but I'm really picky with vegetables. I don't like half of them, and जो अच्छे लगते हैं वो भी मैं बहुत कम खाती हूँ. घर पे भी सब चिल्लाते हैं, but from now onwards I'll try to eat more vegetables. Now the next fact is also related to food. My favorite food is Chinese. Like I can literally have it every day. Same Mexican potatoes. Like even if I'm having it every day, I won't be bored and I will be happy eating it. Like Mexican potatoes and Chinese is my favorite food. So talking about the very last fact about me, I can trust anyone. Like मैं एक बार भी नहीं सोचती किसी पे trust करने से पहले, and I think this is a bad habit, but sometimes I feel like no, this isn't a bad, it is good. Like you should trust everyone. I don't know, I haven't found any solution for this, but I had to include this one also. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Also, I hope you guys felt interactive from my side, and I'll try to make more such videos, and I will be posting the next video day after tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Also, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.